Good morning. Hello students. So today we are going to learn a lesson Nasiruddin's aim. Okay. So this is very interesting lesson. Okay. Now we will enjoy the reading. Okay. So listen carefully. One day Nasiruddin was chatting with his friends. What happened one day? Nasiruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast. No one can match my skill in archery. Archery means Dhanushyaban. Okay, this is Dhanushyaban and shooting the arrow. That is called archery. Okay, so no, so what was he telling to the friend that nobody can match my skill? I string my bow, take aim, and shoot the arrow. So he said, string my bow and take the aim and shoot the arrow. He shoot the arrow with proper aim. Ooh, shoo. The arrow is sure to hit right on target. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. So, hearing Nasiruddin's word, what happened? His friend immediately brought an arrow, giving them to Nasiruddin. He said, here, Nasiruddin, take a bow and arrow. What did he said? Nasiruddin, take a bow and arrow. Then pointing towards a target, he said, aim at that target and shoot an arrow. So what did he say? He said, aim at that target. This friend gave this target. So the friend said, aim to the target and shoot the arrow. Nasiruddin held the bow in his hand, strung it, aimed it and the target and shoot an arrow. Ooh, the arrow did not hit the target. So what did Nasiruddin do? Strung it, aimed. He aimed the arrow, shoot the target. But what happened? The arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. So what happened? Arrow fell somewhere in the middle. Instead, the arrow should be shoot over the target, but it did not shoot the target. Ha ha ha. His friend started laughing. What happened? His friend started laughing. They said, hey Nasiruddin, is this your best aim? What did friend said? Is this your best aim? Oh no, not at all, said Nasiruddin. Defending himself, this wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. What did Nasiruddin said? This is not my aim. This is Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow. So Nasiruddin said that I am just showing you that how Azad is his friend, Nasiruddin's friend, and he is showing that how Azad is means shooting an arrow. Saying this, Nasiruddin picked up another arrow. Saying this, Nasiruddin picked another arrow. Once again, he struck the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. Once again, what did he do? He struck the bow, aimed the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen. So, what happened this time? This time, arrow fell further where it had fallen before. Okay, next page. But it certainly did not hit the target. But what happened? It did not hit the target. They said, Nasiruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow. So what did the friend said? This must be how you shoot an arrow. Of course not, argued Nasiruddin. What did Nasiruddin say? Of course no. Argued. Argue means he fight with his friends. Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. He said, even this is not my aim. This is his chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, Now what happened? Somebody remarked, well. Now who's the next to the list? So the friend is asking, first time you said this is Azaz's arrow. Second time you are saying this is Chief Guard's aim. Now who is the next in your list? Hearing this, all the friends burst out and laughing. Nasiruddin did not say a word. What happened? All friends started laughing, but Nasiruddin did not say any word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. What did he did? He quietly picked up one more arrow. And again, and this time Nasiruddin was really lucky. What happened? He again picked up an arrow, but this time he was very lucky. The arrow hit right to the target. What happened? This time the arrow hit right to the target. Everybody stared at Nasiruddin. Stared means everybody looked in a shocked. That is called stared. Everybody stared at Nasiruddin. This mouth agape in amazement. What is saying? There is mouth agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasiruddin said triumphantly, triumphant means winner. Did you see that? It was my aim. So what did Nasiruddin said to all of you? Did you see? It is my aim. Okay. So hope you all have understand this lesson. Okay. You also try to read this. Okay. Everyone, you also read this lesson at home. Okay. Thank you.